Hello, guys. Welcome to the Sovereign Trader, and welcome to whichever channel that you may be watching this video on, whether that's in our social media platforms across Instagram, maybe the Facebook group, or YouTube. It's great to have you with us. And today, I would just like to cover the topic of, have you ever had a day, a week, even a few hours, few minutes in your day where things just aren't happening the way you would like them to? Have you ever had a day where things just don't seem to be moving? You just can't move forward? Perhaps you just can't get any clarity. You can't really understand what's going on. Well, those days may look something like the pound US dollar this week. And I've got it on this hourly chart. Now, of course, depending on which strategy you're trading, depending on how you look at things in the market, you go to lower time frames. Sure, you'll find trades, you'll find scalps. People watch this video and say, lot of rubbish. I got a 1 to 10 on pound US dollar this week. Well, that's not what this video is about, really. What this video is about is saying, when you don't have the clarity that you normally do, when there's a lot of noise, when the market conditions don't suit the way you trade, guess what? It's okay to sit out. It's okay to sit in your hands. It's okay to do nothing. Now, that's why I chose, and I'm just gonna box it off actually, let you see it in that from left to right. We're in this range here on the pound US dollar on the 1 hour chart. So when you're looking at that or any other chart at this moment in time with everything that's going on in the world, and you just can't seem to figure out what's going on, it doesn't look great. And no matter which time frame you go to, it looks the same. Guess what? Go and enjoy your life. Go and do something else. Go and back test. Or, even better, go through the catalogue of knowledge, information, and help we've got for you at the Sovereign Trader, interact with the community, and wait for the market to come back to something that represents a little bit more of a normal situation. How's about that? Do people tell you that on social media? Do anywhere else you're following traders? Do they give you that sort of advice? Leave it in the comments. Maybe they do. I hope they do, because it's a responsible thing to do. If you're not exposing yourself to risk in the market, you're not going to lose anything. Yeah? Let me say that to you again. If you're not exposing yourself to risk in a live market, you don't stand to lose anything. So have a think about that. Leave your comments, leave your likes, join the free Facebook group if you would like to. And I hope this video, nice and short, but I hope this left you with some value and some food for thought. Thanks for watching. All the very best. Take care. See you soon.